Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Hake here in Baraboo, Wisconsin. We got the hit and miss here. Look at the amazing display of these, the Farmer's Friend. There's some older ones here. We got one there, another one there, another one there, another one here. And this is a Monitor, 1913. It's a big one, huge flywheels on this thing. We got some stuff that they're hiding in there. Okay, so I'm going to go through this. This is kind of like a hit and miss engine here museum type. Madison Silo Company. Dream as you'll live forever. Live as you'll die today. Okay, and there is a Glenwood oak stove. There's some stuff on there. Clay bar cleaners. Some gold-plated tea set. We're gonna come around here because this hit and miss heaven, I guess you'd call it. There's a bunch of different ones. All different designs and stuff. Here's a nice one. And there's an extra plywood setup. You need that. There's kind of a view outside of his shed. You can see there's just a crazy amount of engines and stuff here. Okay, now we're going to come in here, and there's a little guy working on this one. Yeah. That's interesting. That's like an old battery box, isn't that cool? Davis, Galloway. This one's a Butler. This is a Simplex. And this one here, this huge one, this is called a Bessemer. On there. Okay. And this one's a Fairbanks Morse. They were big in being the steel company. Excuse me. Another a Fairbanks Morse. This was a 32 horsepower. That's how smooth those things run. It's amazing how technology on that little clip thing. That's when it sends it power. It feels little balls. When those balls go too fast, it won't fire. As they come in, then it gives the hammer and the thump of it. Okay, there's all kinds of stuff back there. They got wrenches and stuff, scales, old oil cans. If you get a chance, folks, come here, check this out here. This is like their hit and miss building. A lot of work. Get the stuff running, get it out here. They got another big one running here. Stay away, that's not safe. There's an old tractor. Oh, it looks like it had a really small boiler in it. And then there's a smaller version of that. If you need a smaller tractor, use the go too, folks. You gotta go deep into places like this to see everything. It's a 1932 Cadillac RS Coupe. Excuse me. These guys got some cannons here. How you guys doing? Good. The steam show is for everybody. Okay, we're going to go in here and take a look. Another nice display. It looks like they're pumping water here. This looks like a two-stoner model. International Harvester. You know it. Yeah. This is a Patton Brothers, 1912. Looks like there's pipe coming out the side. Spark plug. This is a half-breed. This is an oil field engine. The rear part of the engine was originally a steam engine built in the late 1800s. It's old. Used it in oil fields. This is a reed. It's 40s, it says on there. If they built those in 40s, Wisconsin, yeah. There's some nice ones. This is kind of interesting. They're running the fan off this one. That's cool. You can see the pistons in there going up and down. They're upside down, and then look at how small that crankshaft is on that. It runs that fan. So what runs that fan? Oh, I see. That's a small boiler on the bottom, isn't it?
Hot air engine.
Okay, that is cool.
They're all hot air engines.
Hot air, yeah, it's a hot air engine, folks. That is amazing. Thank you.
You bet.
This one here is pumping water, huh?
You know, that one came out of Portage, Wisconsin, out of a dairy farm.
Oh, a dairy farm?
It's the water.
It's cool how those pistons go up and down. And
Well, the reason that it's cool is it was a deep well pump.
oh, for going way deep.
Yeah, that was one for deep. The other one was...
It's amazing, the technology. Thank you. Appreciate that. Beverly S'mores pumping engine. That's a big one. You can see probably a small city or something using this thing. 1904. Olin gas engine. Pittsville, Pennsylvania. Amazing, folks. Thank you.